Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to make payments to seller on 1688 and Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. This is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first one I want to show you here is how to make payment to seller on 1688. So I'm going to go ahead now and open up my 1688 app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for product from different supplier. To make this particular tutorial short and straight to the point, I've searched for the product and add the product to cart. If you don't know how to add the product to cart, you can check the video out on my channel. I've made a lot of videos step by step on how you can add the product to cart. After you have successfully added the product to cart, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to view your cart. So all the products you have in your cart is going to be found right here. Now, for you to make payment to the seller, what you need to do is to check on the product one after the other. So I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this. Then scroll down right here, I'm paying for this, and I'm paying for this. Next thing we want to do here is to click on here to proceed to checkout. For this all goods right here, I'm paying the sum of 75.95 yen to purchase all. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then enter my payment password to complete the payment. Payment done, successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and make a screenshot of this page. And I'm going to click on here to close this pop-up right here. I'm going to click on here to close this pop-up. I have to be sure I click on here now to proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the product I just paid for is going to be found right here by different seller. So let's find out. So you have them right here waiting for shipping. Let's go ahead and see how you can pay for your goods on Pinduoduo. So I'm going to open up my Pinduoduo right here. I have to open up my Pinduoduo. I go out here. I have to open up my Pinduoduo. Click on here to go to my profile. And from my profile right here, click on here to view my carts. Then I have all the product here in my cart. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. And I'm paying for this. And I'm paying for this. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So here we go. You have all the products right here. Next thing I need to do is to scroll down right here and make sure that my Alipay is checked. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment with my Alipay. Then go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Now payment done, successful. So I'm going to screenshot this part. And I'll simply go ahead and click on done. And I'll screenshot this part also. And I click on here to close this pop-up. And have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. We have the set of the products from different store right here. And then let's go back and check on the last one. We have another one right here. However, someone asked me to make payment for them on 1688 Pinduoduo. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and send them the proof of payment. So I have to head over back to my WhatsApp right here, so you can see my chat with these persons right here. This is how everything went, and this is when they send their links of everything they need right here. So these are links of the products right here, and this is when I'm trying to work on some of the links with the proof right here, and you can see right here. This is all my conversation with this particular person right here. So finally, I will just go ahead and send the proof that I have purchased all their goods. So I'm going to click and hold that, select all the screenshot, and send it to them. All goods paid for. Thank you. Always. It's that simple. If this is exactly what you want me to pay your Chinese supplier or 1688 our Chinese or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.